Hi, welcome to the Lab Immersion training program on cell testing, characterization, also the BMS software development. As a part of this Lab Immersion training program, we will help you to gain a practical and an insightful understanding of how we perform the variety of test cases on various type of cells. So when you come here for the lab, you get to know what kind of machines we use, what kind of test characteristics which we perform, how do we collect data, and how do we use this data for a variety of research and development activities, benchmarking activities, and validation of cell selection for the variety of applications. So we have the complete area of the DC characterization activities. On the other side here, we have the complete characterization activities for the AC type of characterization, which is EIS and ACIR activities. As a part of the lab immersion session, you get to learn how we develop the BMS software with the help of model-based engineering. So here we have a custom-based BMSs. We have a variety of test benches upon which we do all of these testing activities. So you get to understand on how to write a custom software with the help of MATLAB and Simulink, and how to deploy the programs into the hardware. And then how do you do kind of continuous testing in place so that the way you can develop an automotive software. So with these models in place, we also have a variety of test benches. You get to learn and experience on a true journey of developing any automotive software or specific to the battery management system software. So we welcome you to the training sessions and to get you a practical and a hands-on experience with these programs that are upcoming at Decibels Lab. Thank you.